What you need to know is comfortable for the day of gratitude until late Wednesday. Tuesday. A high wind warning for the widespread parts of Southern California is in force. A speed of 93 miles was reported in Santa Clarita, north of Los Angeles. High wind warnings are in force to start week with the powerful gusts roaring in mountain crossings of Southern California. Holiday travelers in these transitions. 30 to 45 miles/hour northern winds in Western San Gabriel Mountains up to 60 miles/hour permanent. Winds can wait. To continue. The main winds of strong Santa are expected for the beginning of week. The high wind warning for winds that are prone to the wind in morning is in force. Inland Orange County, San Bernardino Riverside County valleys, some regions of Los Angeles Ventura District, some regions of a high wind warning up to 10 o'clock on Tuesday. Magic Mountain Truck Trail in Santa Clarita was reported to speed of 93 miles/h. There was a high school hill on the mountains and what highway in the Western San Gabriel Mountains. On Sunday, there were reports of destroyed trees on Sunday, including one of the pavements in Mission Hills. Here are the most powerful wind reports as of 349:00 in the last 6 hours. However, since the list has been compiled, Magic Mountain Truck Trail will reach 98 mph/YEA gust ca Santa Ana winds NWS Los Angeles the 20th of November. 2023 NBCLA predictive Belen De Leon. Everyone there. These winds do not move away for at least 24 to 48 hours. He said. A less severe wind consultancy in the Western Antelope Valley until 2200 is in force. Saturday. 25 to 35 miles/hour northern winds up to 55 miles/hour. Mekahlo Medina reports on Monday, November 20, 2023. Today, the winds are comfortable until Wednesday. More calm for gratitude. In the Santa Monica Mountains and Santa Clarita and Western San Fernando valleys, a wind consultancy entered into force until 1 o'clock on Monday. A high wind warning was given until 1500.